Welcome to our channel. Today we how to install a Blackmagic Design ATEM switcher for capture, detailed guide step by step clearly. Start by unpacking the Blackmagic Design ATEM switcher from its box. Ensure you have all the necessary components, including the power supply and relevant cables. Identify the location of your video source and the destination for your output. Place the ATEM switcher on a stable surface where it has adequate ventilation. Connect the power supply to the switcher and plug it into a power outlet. Turn on the switcher by pressing the power button located on the front. Familiarize yourself with the input options available on the switcher. Connect your video sources, such as cameras, to the appropriate input ports. Use HDMI or SDI cables based on your camera's output capabilities. For multiple cameras or sources, ensure each is connected to a different input port. Label each input on the switcher if necessary to keep track of your sources. Once all sources are connected, configure the video format settings in the ATEM software control. Download and install the ATEM software control from the Blackmagic Design website if you haven't done so already. Launch the ATEM software control on your computer. Connect the software to your ATEM switcher by selecting the correct network settings. Make sure your computer is connected to the same network as the switcher for proper communication. Select the video format that matches your sources from the settings panel. Test each input by switching between sources in the software. Adjust audio levels for each input as needed, ensuring balanced sound. Set up any additional features like transitions, effects, or graphics through the software as desired. Once the configuration is complete, check for any firmware updates for the switcher. If updates are available, follow the instructions provided by Blackmagic Design to install them. After updating, perform a final test to ensure all sources are functioning correctly. When everything is set up, prepare a final check for video and audio quality. Confirm that your output settings are correctly configured for your destination, whether streaming or recording. Now, you're ready to start using your Blackmagic Design ATEM switcher for your capture needs. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.